Selecting the right photocell sensor is critical for consistent operation and energy savings. Here is your guide to the common types of photocells used in streetlights. Twist-lock photocells. Installed via NEMA bases, they enable easy plug-and-play replacement without rewiring. They are best for municipal use, parking lots, and walkways. Part-night photocells. These operate lighting during peak night hours and reduce output later. They are great for low-traffic zones, reducing energy use and light pollution without compromising early night visibility. Smart and programmable photocells. These advanced sensors enable IoT-based control, remote scheduling, and real-time diagnostics. They support adaptive dimming and are crucial for smart city infrastructure. Why choose lead-top photocells? Our advanced photocells use zero-crossing switching technology to minimize in-rush currents that damage LED drivers. All models undergo rigorous testing for long-term outdoor performance. Which photocell should you choose? Use the LT124 or LT134 for standard LED streetlights, the LT154 for heavy load areas, and the LT100 or Zarga series for smart city dimmable systems. Lead Top, your trusted partner. With over 5 million units shipped annually, we offer globally certified custom solutions.
Lead Top, your flexible OM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.